Hello and welcome to this HelloID product release video for Service Automation, the July 2019 release. We will start with a PowerPoint overview, and then we will demo the new functionality that will be available in July 2019. In this release, we have added dynamic forms. You can now split up a form in the service portal into multiple steps. Next, we have changed the visibility of a product. So now you can decide if the product is visible or not to the end user, only visible to the manager and product owner, or only visible to the product owner. This will allow you to control giving out access to more critical products. Next, we have given you the ability to set multiple categories per product. Then we have added the ability to scope HelloID group selection with a keyword. Let's demo all this new functionality. We will start with the wizard forms. This was standard before with a single form. Now we can split the form up with this new wizard option. We select a user first, click Next, and then select a group and click Save. Now the summary is shown, and here we can also take a corresponding action. The multiple steps in the wizard will get you to the information you are looking for faster. We would like to note that you currently cannot pass information from one step to another. That option will be added in the near future. Next, let's take a look at the visibility of a product. We go over to the Applications page, and here we can see all of our apps. In the middle is the visibility column. You can see who the app is visible to. The first two apps are visible to all. The third is only visible to the resource owner, and the last one, Visio, can be seen by both the resource owner and the manager. So our end user, Gertjan, can only see Adobe Illustrator and Dropbox Business. If we go back to the previous screen, we can see here that the visibility is set to all for these two applications, and that is why Gertjan can see and access them. If we go to the manager view and we search up Visio, we can see the application. However, if we search MS Project, nothing comes up because only the resource owner can see it. So now you have the ability to limit who can see what apps. Now you have the option to give all, just the resource owner, or just the manager and resource owner, visibility to any given app. This is especially important in cases where there are high security issues or pricing items with those products. Here is how you would configure this functionality. Let's go to Products, choose MS Project, click on Edit, and down here is the new option, Visibility. Simply click on the users you want to be able to see the apps. This can be done with each product. Another change we made was the multiple categories. Before, this was a single selection, and now you can make multiple selections. Now you can make the product show up in more than one place for the end user. Next, we have also changed the scope of a group. Let's go to Forms, and then to the wizard, and over to Edit. Here is where you can configure your forms in the wizard. We have the first step, then the second step, and in the second step we see a filter, only groups with app in them. If we look at the drop-down menu, all the groups have app in their names. Let's remove that filter and update our change. Now, when we take a look at the drop-down again, we can see all the groups. In later releases, this feature will be more advanced with additional options. This will add more functionality to managing groups and group memberships. Thank you for watching, and